How to delete shortcuts on Snapchat. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Snapchat is already installed on a device. If not, you can head over to your App Store and install it. Also, you have to make sure that the application is up to date. Once you have the latest version of app, simply open it. Enter your login credential, as in your username and the password, and simply log into your account. Once you have been logged in, the next thing you want to do is take one random snap with any of the filter that you want to. Once you have taken the snap, tap on Send To at the bottom right corner. At the top left corner, you'll get to see all the shortcuts that you have made. Beside that, click on this plus icon, and then click on the shortcut that you want to delete. Now, at the top right corner, you'll get to see the icon of delete. Simply click on it, and then click on Yes, delete this shortcut. After that, the shortcut that you have chosen will be deleted successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can delete shortcut on Snapchat. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.